Welcome everybody to another video of Ancient Greece Reloaded. Today we will talk about the famous goddess Tyche. By the way, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so as to stay tuned for upcoming videos. Alright. In Greek mythology, Tyche was the goddess of fortune. In addition to her role as the goddess of fortune, however, Tyche was also the personification of a concept, Tyche, that both intrigued and inspired ancient Greek poets, philosophers, writers and artists. This concept was variously interpreted over the years and represented not only fortune but also luck, success or even chance. Tyche is listed as one of the Okeanides, daughters of the titans Tethys and Okeanos, in the theogony of Hesiod. What is more, that the parents of Tyche might change based on the sources that you study. Undeniably, Tyche paired with her sister Evdora, she and her sibling together represented a combination of bounty and luck according to the Oxford Classical Dictionary. This same source also indicates that Tyche appears again as a personification associated with bounty in the Homeric Hymn to Demeter. It is also worth noticing that Tyche was a highly regarded goddess in many of the cities of ancient Greece. She was worshipped and honored as a sort of patron deity of luck or fortune in these cities. Works of art were created to celebrate the power and prestige of this important goddess, and two of the most famous examples of ancient images of Tyche were the statue of Agatha Tyche, Good Fortune, by Praxiteles and the Tyche of Antioch by Phthides. The Hellenistic Tyche of Antioch, in fact, was so popular that it became the prototype and standard upon which other images of the goddess were based on. Tyche was called Fortuna in Roman mythology. Before closing the video, here are 10 more facts about the goddess Tyche. Ancient Greek athletes would pray to Tyche especially before major athletic events. Tyche would also appear in ancient Greek coins showing her holding the Horn of Amaltheia. In the ancient Greek language, the term Tyche, and depending on the way the term is used in a sentence, includes both meanings of good and bad luck. That is also why people that are supposed to have met with misfortune curse their luck. Tyche originally had only a few sanctuaries, but afterwards Tyche had many sanctuaries dedicated to her throughout Greece. The most famous sanctuary of Tyche was in Alexandria. It is said that Palamedes made an offering to the goddess Tyche in her sanctuary in Argos, which was the first dice he did invent himself. Please note, I am referring to the dice Palamedes invented, not the invention of dice in general. Tyche was also connected with hope, the weather, Eros and Demeter. Tyche was one of Persephone's best buddies. She would also act as a mediator between gods and mortals. Tyche was extensively mentioned in art, poems, philosophy and so forth. Let us finish with the following saying: experience created the art, but inexperience created the luck. Aristotle. That being said, remember to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel, it would help us a lot. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.